Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use EastWest credit card points. You will go through two simple ways for redeeming your points. Let's see. First, you can redeem your points through the customer service hotline. You have to call the customer service center at +632 8888 1700. Now, after you connect with them, you need to access your EastWest credit card account by pressing 2. Then, select the reward inquiry and redemption option by pressing 4. Then, press 1 for inquiry. Also, dial in your credit card number and confirm by pressing 1. Press 0 to talk to an EastWest representative. Then, you can talk about how to redeem your points. Now, head to the second step. Through the EastWest System Tech Assistant or ESTA. After reach out to the ESTA, click on the Apply button. Choose the Redeem Point option, then select the Convert Point option. State the amount you want to redeem. To confirm your redemption, press Confirm. Remember, there is a limit for redemption. You need a minimum 500 points to redeem a cash reward. That's all. Hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. We will meet again with a new informative and tech related video. Till then, goodbye.